Today we're going to show you an amazing recipe, super simple to replicate, passion fruit ice cream sandwich. All right, so let's try to make one, Gabriel. Do you want to do it together? Yes, all right. Wow. All right, try to stick the other. Gentle. Oh, yeah, this is very simple cookie. Oh wow, this is very simple cookie. And what I've done is it's a superhero cookie, yeah? And actually it's been done with the condensed milk, whipped cream and passion fruit pulp. My top tip for the school holiday to entertain this little one, try to feed him seasonally. Let him try as much as I can different kind of food, and from seasonal vegetables, fruit, fish and meat. Of course, one of my favorite things I like to cooking for him during school holiday is pizza or fresh pasta, but also he loves fish, vegetables. Is that correct? Thanks for joining me and Gabriel today. Please don't forget to check out the recipe on the website. Thank you.